accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Well, I'll tell you what, I was up late last night checking out that home run derby. It was a nice night, though. Sat out on the porch and ate some dinner. It was great, and it was not that humid. It's still pretty comfortable out, but as we look at Hershey this morning, the heat is on, and it's going to begin here today. It's going to peak Wednesday and Thursday with highs in the upper 90s, and then it will break on Saturday as we get some storms here, just like the 4th of July helped to break the heat. Hopefully not as violent, though, as we move into the weekend. We've got high pressure, and that means the weather is dead quiet. Temperatures in the low 60s. Harrisburg, the outlier all morning, sitting around 70 degrees. But most places across the state are in the 60s. We're only a few degrees warmer than yesterday. Most of us are right in line with yesterday, and we have low dew points as well, which makes all the difference in the world. Look at that. Dew points in the low 60s. Johnstown at 57. So it's not humid at all. And while dew points may climb a little bit, I think the heat is the bigger story rather than the humidity. 95 degrees, mostly sunny and very hot. Warm tonight with mostly clear skies and temperatures in the 70s. The satellite and radar loop showing you, again, quiet weather locally. We do have that stationary front off to the south that is producing some showers across the Carolinas and Georgia. We also have some wildfire smoke that could try to make it in here over the next couple of days from the north. So it's something we'll be watching closely as we move into this afternoon and tomorrow and Thursday. We've got dew points again that are not crazy. We see Bowling Green as a dew point of 70, but most of us are in the low 60s, even some 50s, and I think that's how we're going to stay. Dew points may climb into the mid 60s here today, but nothing atrocious. Perhaps tonight and tomorrow dew points get around 70, but when I'm thinking about humid weather, right, I'm thinking about dew points getting into the mid 70s, the real atrocious humidity, and we don't see that happening. In fact, by Thursday, again, dew points drop all the way down into the 50s and low 60s. So it's not going to be all that humid, but it will be hot. Highs today getting into the mid 90s, if not upper 90s. And I really think tomorrow and Thursday we're going to be flirting with 100 degrees again. We're going to start in the mid 70s and we get very close. Tomorrow's record is 99, so I think we have a chance to tie that. And that was set, by the way. Anybody know when that record was from?
Nope.
I love the honesty. James, you want to take a guess?
I'm a journalist.
I wasn't even listening.
Oh, James.
Well, at least it's out in the open now.
Yep. What's the
How
question?
I'm treated around here, and then this is why everybody says, we didn't know it was going to be hot. Yeah.
We don't
Because you don't
talk like
listen.
that.
And
Well, I heard that part.
by the way, the news anchors are the worst. None of them listen. None of them listen.
The worst.
The worst, I'm telling you.
Exactly. Keep
It's true.
trying.
It's true.
Boo-hoo.
And the weather is, you just heard me say it,
Hot.
since 4:30. Some smoky sunshine is coming in here over the next couple of days, and I will tell you, it could dim things a little bit. It's not going to break the heat, but it could make things hazy and sort of milky here as we look out. By the way, as great as that home run derby was last night, let's hope they followed up tonight. The All-Star game, Citizens Bank Park. Yes?
Keep going.
Citizens Bank Park tonight. It's going to be hot for that All-Star game tonight. First pitch, 8 o'clock. I'll tell you what, those Philly fans were something else last night when they were booing the out-of-town players. It did make it fun, I will say. It was one of the best home run derbies I've seen here in a while. We have over 3 inches of rain this month, but we're not going to be adding any to it until perhaps Saturday. We still have around a 5-inch deficit for the year, so it is a concern, the dry weather here again going into the next couple of days. But 99s both Wednesday and Thursday. That record tomorrow, by the way, the answer to the question that I asked, set back just a couple of years ago, 2024. So my question to you is, do you remember what you were doing? You know, I'm sure we were here talking about it.
I don't remember what I was doing yesterday.
Well, I remember you weren't here.
Oh, yes, I was.
You slept in.
I was right here. Thank you very much.
At 6:19, I guess you were, but I remember very clearly yesterday. I'm sorry that you don't, but hopefully you remember tomorrow if we set that record. We'll tell you if we do.
All right.
So, okay, guys. Get
All
to
right.
it. I'm glad you're both listening now.
Done yet?
Yeah.
Oh, now you want to listen. Okay.
All right.
Get to the roads.
We're going to get to the roads here.